Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today we will have a look how we can create such a much detail for our facade. As you can see, here there are a lot of details, and we will have a look which type of the families we should use for example for our detail, where we need to use which type of the categories, and I will show you how you can put it on your facade, for example, because it's not can be only facade, it can be any system in your building, but we will start from our facade. So if you are interested in this topic, if you are interested in how you can create such a much detail as you can see right now, so this is tutorial for you, and let's get started. First thing, before we will start, this model you will able download below this video. Just go below this video, you will find the link where you can download this model. It's not perfect model at all. This model just example for you. Maybe you can use it like a guidance for your facade, for example, or for your ideas of your facade. So just use it. This is commercial free, of course, because it's nothing to buy it here. As you can see, this is really simple, but anyway, I think you will find it useful. The second thing, and the main one, as you know, I have my own course on the Udemy. You can go to the Udemy, just write here the Dynamo, and you will find here my course. This is number 3 course, as you can see, Dynamo for beginners. So this is my course, so this is my name actually, and you can get it from the Udemy. So if you're interested in learn to Dynamo, this is best way to start learn it. If you want get it for free, each my stream I giving the one free key to get access for this Dynamo course. So just join my stream and maybe you will the one who will get it for free. So if you're interested about that, go on, get it and learn Dynamo. In a few weeks I will post the Dynamo for beginners part 2, so this will be much complicated than this course, but anyway, you should start from something. Thank you, and we continue. So here is my Revit without any project. Let's create the new one. I will go to the new, and I will use as always architecture template. So doesn't matter which template you will use, the matter only if this is useful for you or no. Okay, so here what we will start, we need the floor. Here is our floor. Let's use the floor, and as you can see, we have like different type of the floors already in our template, but I don't want to use no one of that. I will use, for example, that one, and I will change it. So let's go to the edit type. Let's say I will maximize this window. And before I will change something inside here, I will use duplicate and I will change the name. Always change the name. So this is key about that. And let's change the name. Okay, let's write here the floor 400 millimeter. Floor structure 400 millimeter. Okay, this is best for us. Let's say okay, and let's go to the edit, and I will delete everything because I don't need anything except the structure. Even the finish we also don't need it. Only 400 millimeters concrete structure. Let's say okay. Let's say okay, and now we can draw it. Let's draw our building. Let's make 20 by 20 millimeters. I mean meters. 20 meters, and here also we'll do 20 meters. Okay, we did it. Not bad. And let's say we'll put it on the middle side, and let's say okay. So now our floor on the first floor. Let's check it out. Here is our elevations, and we can see is it right or no. Okay, so we can see this is on the level 1. So let's say we'll make the levels here, and as you can see, this is upper level 0. As you can see, 400 millimeter deeper. This is matter for us. Later on, I will show you why. Okay, so next thing what we will put here, I want to put my columns. Yes, of course, we should put first our grids, but this is not a project. This is actually the way how you should work, actually, done. And that's why I'm not using, for example, for this project grids, because I don't want to spend time for that. Let's go to the columns, and here we will find the columns type of which we want. Actually, I want to use some special columns. This is architecture one, because I am not the structure engineer. That's why I'm using the architecture columns. The structure engineer will use the structure columns. Okay, here we have like some columns. I will use 600 by 600 centimeters, and let's put it somewhere here. First I want to make sure the distance Okay, so I will put the distance 1500 millimeter. Okay, and I wanna make it between this column and the second one column 6 meter. Yeah, it's a bit huge, but this is what I like actually, what I want. It doesn't matter what I like if this not will like my structure engineer, right? So let's make it more correctly. Here it is, and I want to put it like 600 millimeters. No, I will put it like this. Just few seconds. This is already drawing part. We no need make some mistakes. Okay, so let's do like that, and now I will just mirror it. I just will select my columns, and after that I will go to the mirror, draw my axis, and I will draw it like this, and you will see now we have on the opposite side my columns too. But I want one more column on this side, so let's use it. I will use the align. Let's align it. So this is just drawing part, as you can see. You know this everything, so this is nothing new for you. But anyway, we already done. Okay, so we done. Let's go to the east view, and what I can see right now, as you can see, my columns going exactly to the level 1, but it's not right. It should go to 400 millimeters deeper, as you can see, because we will get this structure here. I mean the floor here on the same type. So my floor will come on this side and will go to 1400 millimeters deeper. So it means our column should be also 400 millimeters deeper. So let's make it. So let's select my columns and let's say top offset minus 400 millimeter. Let's go to the east view, and as you can see, 400 millimeter is minus. So this is what I want. Let's go back to the elevation, and now we will create, finally, we will create curtain wall. I will use the exterior curtain wall. Let's use it, and let's draw my exterior curtain wall here. I will draw it somewhere here for now, just like this, and like this. Okay, so I wanna check it on the 3D. Let's check it on the 3D, and of course we get some system like this. Let's change our system. I will select my curtain wall, I will edit it, and before I will change something here, I will duplicate the view, and I'll say with frame. It means we will create the frame. Okay, so let's go to the interior, and for the interior I will use 400. Actually, I will use this type for everything. So you can make it more interesting than I'm doing now, but I wanna do it like that, and we get system like that. And as you can see, now it's going my curtain walls standing on the middle side. So this is what I don't wanna do. Let's go to the level 0, and as you can see, you cannot see this frame. So how you can see the frame? You should change your view range. Go to the properties, find here the view range, edit it, and here you will find the view depth. You just can change level below. This is much simple one, and let's select that, and let's use the command move. I will just select my system, move, and I will move it. Where is I cannot see I cannot see my view range level below. Let's make it unlimited. We cannot see, cannot see sorry, a level below here, and we want a level below here too, and we cannot see what's going on here. Oh, because my system is here. I'm sorry, this is my mistake. I know we'll cut this from my video because you should see these mistakes or my mistakes too. We should change the type of the curtain wall from the second one, because I didn't change. Let's change it, and now we can see the system. Sorry, it was my mistake. That happens with everyone. Let's make it like this. No, we wanna do it more deeper. Just move from this side to that side. Let's check it out on the 3D. Okay, here is too much, as you can see. Here is going to too much. Let's try to put it. Yeah, this is too much actually. And let's make it like this. Okay, so now part, we should change this one. Okay, done. Oh my god, what's going on with this curtain wall? Okay, now everything alright. Let's go to the 3D view, and as you can see now it's exactly on this side, and this one too. Don't care about on this part because we are not caring now on the connection. Let's select my curtain wall, and let's change the connection, because the connection will be only up to level 1, and don't forget minus 400 millimeters from the top. 400 millimeters. The same thing here. Let's select that. Let's select one level and minus 400 millimeters here. So we're done with that. Now we need some system to, we should create the beams. Let's go to the structure. Here we will find the beams, and here we have only one type of the beam. But we now will use this type of the beam. I will go back to the level 1, level 0, and I will draw my beam here. Let's draw one beam to that side, and let's draw the second beam to that side. Okay, done. Let's go back to the 3D, and you will find your beam, because why? Your beam is here. We should make it a bit upper than we have right now. I think it's 360 millimeters. Let's check it out. Yeah, 360 millimeters, even more, 4,000 millimeters, and the second one also 4,000 millimeters. So let's check it out. No, it should go a bit deeper to 380 and 380 here. Let's check it out. No, it's too much. 390, 3009. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, here the same one, because we have exactly same dimensions, and here 3,900 millimeters too. Okay, so done. We have now a steel structure under our curtain wall, and now we should use the other one type of the beam. So let's choose the beam, and we want to load the family, because we should find the beams. So here we should go to the here's our library, family library, and we should find here the where's the rebar. Just give me a second. No, not this one. We should find the structure framing concrete. Yeah, and we will use the pen one. Let's use the pen one. You can use any what you want, and I will put it also on the level 0, and let's create it somewhere here. One I will put here, and the second I will put here. I prefer working in 3D. I know, because some of the people pretty like working not in 3D, but this is my way. I prefer working here, because I can see the difference what I'm doing. So the 300 millimeters, as you can see, so we should change to 4,000 millimeters, and here also will be 4,000 millimeters. Once we did it, here is our beam. Okay, so nice. So let's prepare it, because this is so small actually. And let's check my column. It says 600 by 600. I will now select my beam. Let's go to the edit type, and we will change it to this dimension, because I want to say this is 600 by, let's say, 400 millimeter. And we will check it right now. So this is now 150, as you can see. Let's make it 600 millimeters. Let's say okay, and as you can see, the size of my beam is exactly like a column. Let's check it out. We will do like that, and as you can see, yeah, this should be, yeah, this size the same. And now we should change the thickness, the height of my beam. Let's do the same thing. Let's find where's this dimension. Okay, this H, as you can see here. Let's make 400 millimeter. 400 millimeter. Let's say okay, and as you can see, it's exactly this beam. The second one, we will change more faster. Let's select this beam again. Let's say here the 4,000 millimeters. Here also the 4,000 millimeters. The height, as you can see, it's here. And let's change our type to the 600 and 400 millimeter. Let's change it. and few seconds, and as you can see, here's our beam. As you can see, we spent really like few seconds to create this kind of the beam and this plan. Let's go to the level 1 to the levels, and now I want to just copy this column. We will copy inside to the our building. Let's copy multiply, because I'm too lazy to use it to select this tool again. Let's go back to the 3D, and as you can see, we get really a lot of the columns. I will select my beam right now. Let's make the window here somewhere. I want to make it on this side. Just give me a second. Okay, and I will work on this side. Okay, so I will copy it. Let's copy it, and I want to copy from this side to that side, and you can see right now on 3D screen how it's changing immediately. So as you can see, here's one of our beam, and let's select the second one, and I will change the position of that to 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we get the framing. It's really perfect. So we did it, and right now we can work with some details. So let's work with the facade. Let's spend the time for the facade. Now everything will become more interesting, because now we will work with a lot of the things. So let's go back to the architecture. Here we'll find the roof, because I want to use the roof, but you can use anything what you want. For example, you can use the floor too, or ceiling, up to you. Let's use for example, for that one, floor. I prefer use the floor for that, and I'll show you what I want to create. Let's change this floor to the facade floor. We will write facade floor, and let's leave it 400 millimeters only. You can change materials if you want, but I don't want to spend time for that. But if you want, you can do that. And let's draw our facade, because I want to make the my facade for the minus temperature, and I need to get some gap between one side and one facade and the second one. Okay, so here we are. I will use the trim. So as you can see, I'm just drawing. It's nothing special. I think everyone already can draw in Revit. It's not a big problem. And let's make the thickness as I want. So here I will do the 400 millimeter, and here I want to do also 400 millimeter. Okay, done. Let's say okay, and as you can see, we get something like that. So you can do more detail if you want, but this is what I want. And let's copy it. I want to copy it, and I will put it also under this line. Let's say I want to copy it on same place. Okay, and I just will change the height, 2600 millimeter. Let's check it out. No, it's not enough. Let's do 3000 millimeter. Okay, I will use a line. It's much faster. Let's use this side and that side. Okay, pretty close. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, as you can see, we get like that. Let's go to the some elevation. I want to go to the elevation view, and I want to see, is it right? Okay, this is everything right. So this is what I want. Let's go back to the level 0, and what I will do right now, this is you should do in your project too. So let's put my levels a bit, I want to a bit extend my levels, because it's now not so useful for me. Not like that. We will do that on the east view, north view. As you can see, it's going inside, it's not useful. So let's a bit extend it. It's like that. And that on this side. And as you can see here, it's also changing. South view, everything alright. West view, I said west view. West view, I want to change position to just select this name and just a bit extend. And as you can see, it's extending here too. Let's go to the level 1, level 0. And what I will do right now, I will select everything except my levels. And I will create the group. And we will say typical level, because this is typical level. Okay, the next thing, I will go to the east view and I will copy my levels. Don't forget multiply, and let's copy it. Two typical levels, we should have the same height for all levels. Okay, done. Now I will select my group and I will copy it just by this symbol, copy it to clipboard, and I will copy align to select views. And I will select all views from the level 1 to the level 7. Just few seconds. It's it's spending the time for that, but we done. As you can see, we get our facade. It's not finished actually, but now once we will change something on the one group, it will change everywhere. I will show you how it will look like. So now I'm changing the group. I'm going to the level 1, to the level 0, sorry. I'm using now curtain wall facade again, and I'm drawing here the one exterior facade, as I said, because I wanna do double facade, because I have the minus temperature, let's say, outside of my building. So now I will select this facade and I want to change this glazing to the with frame, because we will use the frame, right? So, and after that I will change the position of that, like this. And here I also want to change it to the with frame. And I want to change the position of that too. You can see it's changing here. So, okay, next one, as you can see, this is double store, but I don't want to do that. I want to make this until the level 1. Okay, and that one, it will also go until the level 1. Until the level 1. And don't forget, minus 400 mm from the top offset. Minus 400 mm. So, as you can see, now it's going under that one. And here, and for the second curtain wall, let's do the minus 400 mm also. The second thing, we want to delete this frame. We will delete one frame, and the second one we will unpin and we will change to the quad corner, sorry. We did it. I want to delete this corner tool, and I want to delete this separate line. Let's delete it. Delete, remove, and remove. Okay, we're done with that. As you can see, it's now not aligned. We will align it right now. We should align actually it. How we can do that most faster? Just select one curtain frame, right click, select all. We cannot select everything on this view. Okay, if we will select everything, we can filter it. I hope so. Curtain wall grids mullions. Okay, this one. And I want to hide it. Just quick hide. Hide element. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? I will go to the right view and I will just align one thing with the other one thing. Just use the first unpin it. After that, use align and align it. And do it for everything. Once you will done that, let's reset temporary isolate and hide. And as you can see, now our frame exactly standing with the previous one. So we done with that. I will delete this thing. You will see why later on. Yes, we should delete it. Let's finish it. And now all the groups will change immediately. Just let's check it out. We should wait. Okay, done. And as you can see, all the groups changed and now we get the same situation. It's everywhere. So this is perfect. This is what I want. And now you know how you can manipulate with that. And this is really simple and easy. Don't forget, you can download it, the previous file, what I already showed to you, this one. And you will understand how you can create, for example, this facade. This is not perfect way, but one of the nice way how you can do that. For today's finish, I hope it was really useful for you. Thank you guys, don't forget about the comments and likes, and see you next time.